In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to install PVC shower wall panels step by step, from preparation to finishing touches. By the end, you'll see how easy it is to transform your bathroom into a sleek, modern, and functional space, all with a DIY project you can actually complete in a single weekend. PVC shower panels. Before starting the installation, let's take a moment to understand why PVC panels have become such a popular choice in 2026. Tiles have been the traditional option for decades, but they come with a long list of challenges. Messy grout lines that collect mold, time-consuming cleaning, and costly installation. PVC shower wall panels solve all of these problems. They're 100% waterproof. They don't need grout. They're quick to clean with just a wipe of a cloth, and they're far more affordable than tiling. What makes them even better is the wide range of styles available. You can get panels that look like marble, granite, wood, or even glossy ultra-modern finishes. That means whether your taste leans toward luxury spa vibes or a minimalist, sleek design, there's a PVC panel that matches your vision perfectly. And the best part? They're designed for DIY projects, so you don't need to be a professional builder to get the job done. Tools and materials you'll need. Now, before you begin, it's important to have all your tools and materials ready. For this installation, you'll need PVC shower wall panels in the design of your choice, a strong PVC-compatible adhesive or screws with panel trims depending on how you choose to fix the panels, and a good quality silicone sealant that is mold-resistant for waterproofing the joints. You'll also need a spirit level to make sure your panels stay straight, a tape measure for accurate sizing, and a fine-tooth saw or utility knife to cut the panels neatly. For corners and edges, you'll need trims. These can be internal and external corner trims or simple end caps to finish the look. Lastly, keep a cleaning cloth handy to wipe away any extra adhesive or dust as you work. Having everything prepared and within reach will save you time and make the whole installation process smooth and stress-free. Preparing the bathroom wall. Preparation is often the most overlooked step in DIY projects, but it's actually the key to success. Before you install your panels, make sure the surface is clean, dry, and free of loose material. If your walls are covered with old tiles, don't worry. You can install PVC panels directly over them as long as they're secure and not falling apart. Just give the tiles a thorough cleaning with a degreaser or sugar soap solution so that the adhesive sticks properly. If you're working on bare plaster walls, make sure there's no dampness or mold present. Any mold should be treated before installation, because once the panels are in place, you won't be able to reach it. The better you prepare the wall, the more durable and professional the final finish will be. Measuring and planning the layout. Accurate measurement is everything in this project. Start by measuring the height and width of your shower wall. Always double-check your numbers. Remember the saying, measure twice, cut once. Next, decide whether you want to install the panels vertically or horizontally. Most people choose vertical panels in showers since they help water run down more easily, but horizontal layouts can look unique and stylish too. Use a spirit level and pencil to mark straight guidelines on the wall. These will help you position the first panel perfectly, and once that's in place, all the others will naturally follow in line. If your shower space is not a perfect square, don't worry. PVC panels are forgiving, and you can trim them to fit neatly. Cutting the panels. Now comes the cutting stage. Place the panel flat on a stable surface with the decorative side facing up, and mark your measurements clearly. Using a fine-tooth saw or a sharp utility knife, carefully cut along the line. Always cut slowly and steadily to avoid chipping the surface. If you need to cut holes for pipes, taps, or shower fittings, a hole saw or jigsaw will give you the cleanest results. A useful tip here is to cut slightly smaller than the pipe diameter. This allows you to slide the panel into place neatly and seal it with silicone for a watertight finish. Installing the first panel. The first panel is the most important, so take your time with it. Apply vertical lines or dots of adhesive directly to the wall, or if you're using trims, fix the panel into the corner trim first. Gently press the panel against the wall, starting from one side and working across, making sure it aligns perfectly with your pencil guidelines. Use the spirit level to double-check that it's straight, because if the first panel is even slightly off, all the others will follow crooked. Once you're happy with the position, press firmly to secure it. If any adhesive squeezes out from the edges, wipe it off immediately with a damp cloth before it dries. Adding the remaining panels. With the first panel secure, the rest becomes much easier. Each PVC panel comes with a tongue-in groove system, meaning they slot neatly into one another. Simply insert the next panel into the groove of the first, press it into place, and secure it with adhesive or screws depending on your method. Continue this process across the entire wall, checking alignment regularly with your spirit level. Take your time with corners and edges. If you need to cut panels down to size for the last section, measure carefully to ensure a snug fit. Wipe away any extra adhesive as you go, so the surface remains clean and polished. Sealing the joints. Once all the panels are installed, the next step is sealing. Apply a mold-resistant silicone sealant along the joints, corners, and edges where water could seep through. This is especially important at the base of a shower and around fixtures like taps and shower heads. Use a silicone finishing tool or dip your finger in soapy water and run it smoothly along the bead of sealant for a professional finish. Not only does this create a waterproof barrier, but it also gives your panels a neat and seamless look. Adding trims and finishing touches. To give your shower wall a polished appearance, add trims to the corners, edges, and top sections of your panels. End caps are perfect for finishing exposed edges, while internal and external trims keep corners neat. These details might seem small, but they make a huge difference in making your installation look like it was done by a professional. Once trims are in place, you can reinstall your shower fittings, shelves, or accessories. Adding LED lighting strips above or around the panels can also elevate the look, giving your bathroom a luxury spa-like feel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more DIY and home design guides. Thanks for watching.